What makes Gigavac fun and a very interesting place to work at is the fact that there are people from all sorts of backgrounds here, and it allows me to see more of the world, in a sense, just in one building. It's not just, you come in, you don't talk to anybody, you don't get to know anybody. It's a lot of different families, a lot of different stories. These are people that are, in a sense, an extended family, and it does feel like that.
We are worldwide base, but every year, 2 or 3 times a year, that world gets smaller. We come into a very family community and have picnics, parties, and they make us feel loved and needed, just like any other family would.
Something that I really enjoy is that every day is different. Every day is a new challenge, a new opportunity. Everyone is so friendly and happy, and I hear that's rare.
Gigavac is providing products for feel-good markets like solar, for electric vehicles, and so it's encouraging to know that our products are going into things that are going to make the world better.
My favorite part of working at Gigavac are the employees. We're just like a big family. And I really enjoy that.
The culture is what makes it a great place to work, and that is the reason why people tend not to leave Gigavac once they've arrived. Everybody is appreciated for their contribution. It's not a hierarchy there. There is no one person who has value more so